Okay, students will solve exercise 1B remaining sum. Yesterday we solved till question number 4. Today's concept is subset and superset. Remember, at the beginning of this academic year, I have posted you one video where the VIII videos where the student also asked me about the power set. So from the power set only subset and superset can be created. Power set in VIII, supersets, VIII's name is power set. To understand, power set can be said as superset also. Today we will meticulously learn about subset and superset especially, and we will go through how to convert set builder method to roster form and all. I have said to you time and again that before you do any operation of set, you are supposed to convert a set into roster form. Whether you want to find out whether it's a finite set, infinite set, pair set, empty set, a singleton set, or you want to go for a disjoint part, or you want to go for overlapping part, you want to draw a Venn diagram, you want to find out the cardinal number, you want to find out the subset of some of the sets. All these things you have to convert first into roster form, that is tabular form. Okay, before we move on to the subset and superset question number 5 to 8, I will just give you the conception, the must-know point. What you are supposed to remember is, first of all, the sign of subset and superset. By this time, you know the signs of set theory. This is belongs to, conversely, it will not belongs to. You know this is such that this, or this is such that. And then you know all these. N stands for what, W stands for what, Z or P stands for what, all the, Z or I stands for what, sorry, Z or I integer it stands for, and all this sign, you know this 3 dot after comma, what does it symbolize? It is ellipsis, means showing the infinite in that same order. Now we will be learning about these 3 symbols especially. Before I move on to these symbols, no, children, I will just tell you, you know this, no, this is less than sign. Why it is less than sign? That you are comparing to the right hand part, not left hand part. You are comparing the number or the integer placed right of this symbol. This side you are considering. So in this case now you have to consider this side. This sidewise U, the closed portion will be indicating proper subset. Proper subset. See this sign and this sign, I will tell you. Previous one, this one is less than sign and this is less than equal to. Less than equal to means the number or integer lying to the right hand side will be definitely lesser than this side. Could you understand? Less than means, I am talking to you, less than means the number or integer to the right hand side will be definitely lesser than this. Isn't it? 5 is always lesser. You cannot put 15 here. But when you are making this one equal to, it is equal to also a lesser value. And all lesser value this side. Could you understand? I hope you have understood it. Now, similarly this sign also, the set this side will be junior to this set this side. You can say, this side set will be greater than this set. Definitely junior, it cannot be equal to also. When you are, then that time it is called proper subset, means you are really junior. Could you understand? Proper fraction, it will be lesser than 1. Then only it is for proper fraction. Could you understand? So subset will be symbolizing by sidewise U, and sidewise U with equal to will be proper subset will be symbolizing by sidewise U. Sidewise U with equal to sign will be said as subset. Proper subset and subset, try to understand distinctly. In proper subset, set itself won't be there. The power set or the superset will not be included in a set. Then that will become the proper subset. Could you understand? And subset, it will be included. The power set also includes to create the subset of a power set. subset, power set is also included, that will become subset. So in subset, set itself is also included. And this is superset or power set. By to say it is a power set, this side set. I am telling you, right hand side you have to compare the set here. So this is proper subset equal to sign subset, and U with the open side to the right, open to the right hand side will be proper superset or power set. I hope you have understood. Now I will tell you how will you create subset and how many subset or proper subset you can create. That part. I will take an example for it. Suppose set A has got element as A, B, C, D. First 4 letters in English alphabet you are taken. Here are members, how many? 4. 4 members are there. 4 elements are there. They are A, B, C and D, all separated by comma. Now, from this, how many subset you can create? When you are telling from this you have to create subset, means this becomes the superset or the power set. Could you understand? Now, this is mother set. From where you are creating the subset? That is why it is called power set or superset. It is superior. It is powerful. Could you understand? Now, subset will be what? Set itself also will be included. But how will you find out all the subset of it? Go gradually. I will tell you the procedure. First, any sets, phi or null set will be the subset of any set. So, first set is the null set. It will, for proper subset also null set will be there. For subset also null set will be there. Null set is mandatory for subset or proper subset. First is null set. Now go with singleton set. All the element one you pick and make a set. Set A with letter A one set, letter B, letter C, letter D, 4 sets. Okay. Now with 2, beginning with A, AB, AC, AD, A and B, A and C, A and B. A is over. Now with B. BC, you can't go with BA because AB already are done. BC set cannot be repeated. No, same set you don't have to repeat for creating power set. So BC and BD, C, BC and BD. Could you understand? Now B also what? C. You cannot go for CA and BC because this is already created as AB and AC. So CD, CD. So CD. Now the pair set is over. Two element set is over. Now go for 3 sets because here it is having 4 elements. So 3 sets. With A you start once again. A, B, C. First set is A, B, C. Now A, C, D. A, C, D or A, B, D. You can go for A, B, D. Then A, C, D. A over. B, C, D. B also over. You can't go back and do. B, C, D also over. Now you have got the set itself A, B, C, D. I hope you have gone through the procedure. If you go systematically, you won't miss any set and check your answer. How many subset you can create? The formula says 2 to the power n. N is the cardinal number. Formula of subset is 2 to the power n. Remember this formula. After you create the subset, no, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Including the set itself it is 16. That means 16 subset can be created and with the formula you tally, formula says 2 to the power n. N is the cardinal number. Cardinal number of set A will be what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. The number of set and a cardinal number of set A will be what? 4. So how many subset you can create? Putting this formula 2 to the power 4 because A is 4 here, cardinal number of set. Okay, 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 will be multiplied. This is base and this is power. Power will add as many time it is multiplied and base will be multiplied. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If you find out, it will be 16. So you can create, if a set is having cardinal number as 4, you can create 16 subset that includes the power set. But how many proper subset? The formula says the proper subset will be 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power n minus 1. as many subset you are creating, minus 1. Minus 1 is what? Minus 1 is nothing but the set itself. The set itself will have to exclude for proper subset. So proper subset excluding the power set, it will become 15. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, because this will not be included as it is same as the power set. So proper subset will not be having the power set itself. I hope you have understood this and the formula. If it is asked to you how many subset you can create, that time you put in the formula and you find out the number. If it is asked to you find the subset, then you have to create this way. Once again I will tell you, if the 4 elements are there, how will you go with systematic way so that you don't miss any subset. Okay, now I will take the exercise of your 1B sums of your exercise. Question number 5 I have taken. State of the statement, state each of the statement which are true or false. See here, it is the sign is what? This sign, of course, this side set will be, this is means proper it will be subset. Equal to sign means subset. If it is not equal to is not given, that is proper subset. That is properly junior. You understand? Now see 1, 0, 3, 5. This side. And x such that x is a natural number. Natural number, starts from 1, it goes to infinite. So you first convert this set into roster form. I said to you. So in solution, first step you do it, convert this one to roster form. From here, you convert into roster form. You found these are the elements, isn't it? These are the natural number in roster form. Now, as 0 is included, but 0 is not the element of the superset. It cannot be a subset of this set. This cannot be the subset of this set, therefore it is false. Symbol said it has to be subset, but it is not a subset because 0 is not the element. You understand? So it is false. I have taken question number 7 also under question number 5. X such that x is a prime number between 0 to 10. Subset sign, not proper subset sign. Subset sign x such that x is an odd number and the limit of x is less than equal to 12, less than 25. That means the value of the odd number should be from 12 to 25. It will be lesser than 25 till 24. So you convert this one in roster form. If you convert this one also is roster form, prime number between 0 to 10. Prime number starts from 2 and up to 10, 2, 3, 5 and 7. These many prime numbers are there. You all know it. Now, same sign you put, whatever sign is given to you, that sign you put. Then this one also converted in roster form. If you odd number between 12 to 25 will be 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 and 23. Odd number means which is not even, which will not be divided by 2. So up to 23 because less than 25 it is. It is not less than equal to 25. So it is like that. See this set. Where it is differing? These all are the odd number, fine. But these all odd numbers are not here. Moreover, 2 is a even number here. 2 is not included here. So this is also not the subset of this particular set. So it is also false. You understand? Now moving on to question number 7. Find the subset. Now you see, I will tell you how to once again find out with the 4-member set number of subsets. What are the subsets? C is a set. I have not taken other 2. Question number 6 I have not taken by because you children will be able to solve. If not, I will send as homework. Now, see these are the 4 elements. The elements are 0, 3, 4 and 5. Fine. I say do null set always will be the subset. So null set you do, I have done this time symbolically. You can keep 2 curly bracket also in between nothing. That will also symbolize empty set or null set or void set. This sign also is called phi, which is symbolizing empty set. Now with single member set, what? 0, 3, 4 and 5. Now with 2 member set, 0 and 3, 0 and 3. With 0 you have started, 0 and 3, 0 and 4, 0 and 4, 0 and 5, 0 and 5. You understand? Now with 0 over, but pair set you are making it with 2 members. Next digit you go 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 4 and 3 and 5. Okay, now 3 is also over. Now go with 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. All the pair set is over. Creating subset, pair subset is over from this set. Now we go for 3 member set. 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 4. Now with 0 only. 0, 4, 5, 0, 4, 5. 0, 3, 5 also 0, 3, 5. Don't miss anything. Now 0 over. Now 3, 4, 5. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Now nothing will be included because 4, 3, 0, 0, 3, 4 you have already done it. That's so understood. So your 3 member set is also over. Now set itself is left 0, that also you have written down. The set itself when you are including, that time it will be subset. If you are not including that, that time it will be proper subset. Had it been asked to you find the proper subset, then this set could have not been included. Now can you check it through formula? What is n here? Cardinal number is 4. 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 4. Here is 4, cardinal number 4. 2 to the power 4 means again 16. Is it 16? Are the subset are 16? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Children, you don't need teacher. You can check your answer by yourself if you know the proper formula. Okay, fine. It is over. I hope you have understood. If not, go through time and again. I have taken question number 8 now, where it is given to you in set P parameter. P is a set x such that x in the letter what in the letter x such that x is the letter in the word 1. You pick the letters in the word 1 without repeating. It will be O N E. Similarly, Q set is said to you that x such that x is the letter in the word none. In this case, none was given. N O N E. 2 N are there. You cannot repeat the set. That for 1 N is picked. So in tabular form, N, comma, O, comma, E it will be, because you cannot repeat the element of set. Now, third set is given to you in the question is x such that x is the letter in the word gone. In that, none of the word is repeated. Therefore, G, comma, O, comma, N, comma, E. This will be. You have converted in roster form. Now your duty to find out. See if P is the proper subset of Q or not. You have to check. P is the proper subset of Q. Is it? No. Had it been equal to sign, then subset P is a subset of Q because P and Q are same set. They are equal set dear. So it cannot be a proper subset. It is a subset but not proper subset. That is why it is false. Second statement, Q is a subset of R. Q is the subset of R. See, N, O, E are there for Q, and for R, G, N, O, N, E. So N, O, E are there in Q. So it is really the junior set of this. So it is the proper subset. Correct. True. Q is the proper subset of R. Now P is the subset of R or not. P is the subset of R. Yes. O, N, E is the junior one. If it is this one also, it will be subset. Some symbol is subset. O, N, E. So it is a proper subset. True. Now P is the proper subset of R. P is the proper subset of R. True, because you know O, N, E is there. Here also O, N, E is there. Of course, G is included, but it is junior set, so it is a true. P is equal to Q. I said to you earlier also, all the cardinal number also in this set and this set are same, and the nature of the cardinal number is also same, so they are equal. True. Now Q is equal to R. Q is equal to R. Q cardinal number is C, N, O, E. But here the cardinal number is 4. This element, three elements are matching, but cardinal number also has to match, and that is why it is not true, it will be false. I hope you have understood nicely, because it will be very smart. Go through. If you don't find time right now during classes, in your lives that go through, doubt if any, talk to me. Talk to me in my personal WhatsApp. Only valid question. No, irrelevant question or silly talk is permitted. follow class first. In the group you talk to me more, because in the group I will cover everything. If you don't find, then you can talk to me personally.